And we did change out the neckline because I can't do slip stitch borders. I have officially determined that I simply cannot do it. It hurts my hands too much, and it just doesn't end up looking right, and I can't count for the life of me. So we switched out the border, or the ribbing at the neckline. Yeah, that's kind of where we're at right now. To decide what to eat for dinner, I never want to do it. Let's see. Chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets are for dinner. Done and done. We're gifted. Grace, most of mine are too. Most of mine are as well. I make my husband choose. If he doesn't, we order takeout. Girl. Frozen is so easy when it comes to dinner. He's just like, I just want chicken, potatoes, and veggies. I'm like, well, shit. Okay. That's easy. Right now, we're kind of out of veggies. I have like 3 days worth of chicken left, and then I have to start defrosting other things and becoming creative because we're flat broke this week. So we got to be real careful about what we do. But we need to go to the grocery store and get a couple things. So, I mean, I do have enough for breakfast this week, luckily. I've got yogurt and granola for days, baby. But we got to figure out a couple of things so I can make some healthier meals with what I've got. Dino Nuggies! Let's do it! We're probably making spaghetti and meatball. Okay, that sounds delicious right now, though. That sounds amazing. I love homemade meatballs, hands down, better than anything else. Such a comfort food, you know? My lazy ass would make that with self-striping to avoid color switching. Okay, so waffles. Color switching in this isn't that bad. So you're actually carrying that yarn up the back so you don't have to weave in the ends every single time. Right? So you end up carrying that up the entire back so you don't have to actually do that. But I agree with you. I understand. Yeah, I still don't want it. That's fair. Yeah, that's why they carried it with mini skeins. They gave me mini skeins to do the carrying of the actual stripes with. So far, it hasn't been too bad. But we're halfway done with the body, yaddy, 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 which is super nice. I want to get this done as soon as possible. We have 2 weeks until I go into surgery. My surgery date is 2 weeks from today. So we have 2 weeks to get everything else handled before I go under the knife. Now, my goal is to get this sweater done and turn it in this upcoming Saturday. Mama Luna is taking a class at Hook and Needle this upcoming Saturday. And I'd like to be able to go in with her and turn this in. So that means we need to get this done by Thursday so it can block Thursday night through Friday, and then Saturday we can go and turn it in. It's a lot of high expectations.